Do you feel the vibes?
Hi, my name is Joe and welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to unbox and set up a WeMo plug-in smart switch. The WeMo plug-in smart switches allow you to turn on and off electronic devices from anywhere in the world as long as you have a internet connected smart device. The WeMo plug-in smart switches also integrate with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. You also have the option to integrate with IFTTT for even more automation control through the use of applets. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box, and then we'll move on to the setup. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box. Just got a quick install guide. And here's the switch. And that looks like that's all that there is. So there's not much to it. So basically on the switch you've got a restore or reset button. You have your manual on-off switch, and then you have an indicator for Wi-Fi connection. Definitely makes it so you can only use one switch per outlet, which kind of cuts down on your ability to automate multiple things in the same outlet. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we go ahead and set this up. So the first step to setting this up is to go ahead and plug it in. This will give you the blue indicator at the top, which will start blinking to let you know that it's ready to be set up. The next thing that you'll need to do is go to the Apple App Store or Google Play and download the WeMo application. So we'll go ahead and switch over to the mobile device to finish the setup process. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to connect to the switch's Wi-Fi. So we'll go ahead and find that in our Wi-Fi settings and connect to it. Now we'll go ahead and open up the Wemo app and let it do its thing as far as connecting to the switch. So now it's going to go ahead and try and configure the Wi-Fi for the switch. So it found the switch, so now we can go ahead and we can give the switch a unique name. And then once we've got the name, we'll go ahead and hit next so it can finish configuring the switch. And this might take a couple of minutes to finish up, so we'll probably go ahead and speed this portion up. And the switch has been successfully configured and is ready to go. And now that it's configured, it'll take me back in and it'll allow me to see all my switches. I can turn them on and off, and then I can come into the settings and we can take a look at the setup instructions. Just to kind of recap what we've already done, we went ahead and plugged the switch in. Then we went into our Wi-Fi settings to find the find the switch. We connected to the switch. We open the WeMo app back up to let it do the configuring of the switch. And that was pretty much it. And then there's some more settings here that you can learn how to connect to IFTT, Nest, or to Alexa. And then there's some other helpful support and feedback links as well. And that's pretty much all there is to set up the WeMo Switch. My final thoughts on the Switch: overall, I would say it's a good Switch to have. If you were contemplating picking up the Switch and you just weren't sure and were on the fence, I would say go ahead and do it. From a performance perspective, it's pretty reliable as far as internet connectivity and being able to stay connected to the internet. Speed of performance is pretty good. There is a slight lag when turning devices on and off within the mobile application, but it's not that bad. So if you've got one of these switches, go ahead and leave a comment and let us know what you think. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button in the lower corner. And I look forward to having you check out my next video. Thanks.